Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom in Xiaomi 12 Lite. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, find the Google Classroom app. Now download it. And then open it. Right here, click on Get Started, choose the account for this classroom and click OK. Select the plus button, join the class, enter the class code in the pool right here and click on the Join and you should be with your class. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.